Okay, what's up guys, your guy Shapira, and guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can borrow money from MTN. Now I think for the past last 2 months or I was trying to borrow money from MTN, but they are not allowing me. Okay, they are telling me that okay, I'm not qualified, I'm not this, I'm not that, and this and that. I should go and link my Ghana card to my SIM before I'll be able to borrow. I don't know if some of you are getting the same message. Today I'm here to solve that problem for you. So today I was here, you can see the time. Okay, I was here around 3 p.m. and I got this message from MTN. They're telling me that they have launched a new loan product that is called the Extra Cash. Okay, that's called the Extra Cash. So they even say I should go to my loan menu to check if it will work for me. So let's all go and check with you guys. Okay, now we are here. So we dial the *170# we send quick. Okay, so now we go to the option 5, that is what financial services. Option 5, financial services. Straight we go to option 3, which says the loans. You are going for the loan. Now you can see that we have the quick loan here, we have the express loan here, we have the Ahukan loan here, we have the extra cash. Remember, we are here for extra cash, so we click on option 4 for extra cash. Okay guys, so if this is your first time here, if you come here, they will tell you to input your mobile money pin to receive the terms and condition. Guys, don't be afraid. Okay, just input your mobile money pin. After inputting it, it will automatically cut. Okay, when it cuts, come back here, repeat the same process, and you appear here. Now when you are here, all that we need, we need money, so all that we need to do here is just click on option 1, request loan. So we are going to request the loan real quick. Now they are telling us to input our Momo number real quick, so I'm going to give them my Momo number, send. Boom. Now you can see here they said you are qualified for 250 Ghana cedis. Now the option 1 is telling me that okay, to pay in 7 days, and the option 2 is telling me if you want maybe I want less than 250 cedis. So I'm going to pay in the 7 days later real quick. Then you can see here, you can see that the processing fee is 2 cedis 50 pesos and the setup fee is 16 cedis. Okay, so in the 7 days I'll be paying 168.91 cedis in 7 days. Okay, so if you agree with the term and condition, you just click on okay, I agreed. Okay, now they said what, congrats on the way and it will come, and you can see boom, it just appeared in my wallet. You can see that MTN just sent me a loan and I have received the loan successfully, which I will pay in 7 days later. Okay, and they are sending me blah blah blah, and your loan have been approved, they have given you money, so this is the money I'm going to pay in 7 days later. And remember, just know that we are still working with MTN, so if you didn't pay the money fast before the due time, they are going to give you a penalty. That means they're going to give you an increment of the money. So guys, I'm not going to use this money for anything. Okay, I'm just using this money to show you, to record a video to you guys. So in case you want to pay back, let me just show you guys how you are going to pay the money back, because for me, I don't need MTN money to do anything. So now, in case you want to pay the money back, you just click here 1 2 3. Okay, then you go there, then still you go to the 5. But guys, you can in case you need money, quick money to do something, you can still borrow money from MTN people, okay, to do something. Now I'll go to loans. Now I'll go to express loan. Okay, then I'll go to repay my loan. We are going to repay their money for them, repay my loan. And yes, so I'm going to confirm that I'm going to pay the full amount. You can see the full amount, so I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, then I'm going to give them a Momo pin again, because I'm going to pay the full amount. Now it's on the process. Okay, so they say, well, your loan is paid. You can see that they have taken the money successfully, so the money have been taken from my account successfully. So I've borrowed money from MTN, I've paid them back right now. So guys, that's how it works. That's how you can get some extra cash from MTN, and that's how you can pay your money back. Just deposit the money in the account and they're going to withdraw the money themselves. Okay, so in case you love this video, don't forget to drop a like on this video, and also comment in case you have any question, any suggestion that you want to ask me. Just comment on the video. See you on my next video. It's your guy Shapira, and I'm out.